The theme of my truck, since I've done all the traveling with Vegan Roadie, is Taste the States. So it's regionally themed food. So tonight I'm doing a Philly cheesesteak sandwich for you and a Maine lobster roll.
Oh my god.
And
Ramona, shake. Good girl, yeah.
You guys have a lot of experience with food truck food?
Sure.
Eating it.
Yeah.
I've even got some experience with vegan food truck food
Oh yeah?
from eating at the Cinnamon Snail.
Oh yeah,
love
that
that
place is
place.
famous.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I didn't know what I was in for. This is great. You told me I would have been eating lobster tonight. I would have been shocked.
so this is the crispy California flatbread, and that's why we're using an avocado pesto on it. What?
Thank you.
It's like a little pizza.
Yeah.
Was it dried mushrooms?
Mushroom bacon.
I think it needs like more salt or something, doesn't it?
I don't think so.
No,
I think it's great. It's really good.
Yeah.
Good melange of flavors.
You should invite your chef friends over every Saturday.
How did the inspiration strike you for this dish?
I was doing a dinner with Pamela Elizabeth, who owns all the Blossom restaurants last year. The theme was a barbecue theme, and we were trying to think of like different barbecue sauces there were. And Alabama has a white barbecue sauce, and so we were trying to figure out how we could use that. And we wanted cornbread somewhere in the meal, but we didn't want it to just be a slab of cornbread. So then we thought of doing the grilled romaine cornbread salad with white Alabama barbecue sauce. So that's kind of how that came about.
Wow, beautiful.
So beautiful.
Butter and oil.
I feel like it's more than the sum of its parts. It feels like you're getting a thing. It doesn't feel like just like a lettuce sliced in half with some stuff on top. It's like, oh, it's a whole unit of things that went together, and it's sweet on top and it's crunchy on the bottom.
And the bacon fajitas that he made were amazing.
Delicious.
So does that have sugar and soy sauce?
A little bit of maple syrup and liquid smoke and garlic powder, onion powder, and salt.
And then you do it in the oven.
So like super simple. This is the Maine lobster roll, made with hearts of palm. And this recipe I worked on like over and over and over because the hearts of palm, the texture was really funky for a while. Like it was really hard and chewy, and I was like, that's not going to be what I want that to be or what anyone wants that to be. But the trick to it ended up being marinating it overnight in a little bit of oil and lemon juice and some Old Bay seasoned in yolk.
Yeah. Were you a lobster fan before you went vegan?
Not really. I mean, I ate it. One time, fun story, I was in Maine eating lobster and a bird pooped on my head. That's the last time I think I actually ate lobster. This is a Southwest chickpea hush puppy burger.
What is a hush puppy?
Did you ever go to Long John Silver?
Yes, I did.
Hush puppy is like a fried ball of heaven, basically. A fried ball of cornmeal. So in these ones I put cornmeal and chickpeas. And I want to take the hush puppy and then something Southwest and combine them. So I would maybe put like corn and red pepper in this, but I didn't want to get too crazy because also on the truck you gotta keep it simple, like prep simple. This I was like, I can get guacamole that's pre-made, that'll be vegan, a salsa that's pre-made will be vegan. The only thing I need to make is the hush puppy patty then, and then we deep fry that. Because the faster you can start selling food in that competition, the faster you can start making money.
Yeah.
This is the Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
It's vegan sausage. Which brand?
This ended up being field roast, but you can use any that you want with it. I take the sausage and I cut it very thinly, and then I take portobello mushrooms and I saute it all together. I put a little bit of soy sauce in there, salt and pepper, and that sort of like makes any sausage okay because I'm flavoring it all myself eventually anyways. The two main ingredients I always rely on for vegan cheese are nutritional yeast and miso, and I wanted to make a cheese sauce without those things, so that if I'm stuck in the middle of America, I'd be able to make the cheese sauce with any ingredient that I can find in any grocery store. So this is a kabocha squash cheese sauce, but can also be made with butternut squash, so it doesn't have to be the kabocha squash.
Oh, here we go. Look at that presentation. Beautiful.
Yeah, the cheesesteak is great.
Yeah, cheesesteak without any cheese or steak.
Correct.
Wow.
It gets like its gooey texture from a little bit of Avario rice.
It's quite cheesy.
Wow.
And slightly
It's
steaky.
like a, yeah, it's like a porridge.
Yeah.
The way that a porridge works.
A
That's
little
cool.
bit of white wine.
Oh.
Well, I can taste the
Brilliant.
wine in there.
Brilliant.
So it's like just a puree of the squash.
Yeah, it's all like boiled together with the squash. And
That is
potato
awesome.
and
Man.
That is so creative and good.
Thank you. I'm so glad you guys liked it.
I love the texture of the puppy.
Yeah.
I think the hush puppy is my favorite.
I like the.
Oh my god. Is this confectioner's sugar?
Yes, organic confectioner's sugar.
Is it hard to find a vegan brand of this?
No, this is that, what is it, Wholesome brand, I think it's called. Alright. So we got Shamrock Canolis. They're not crispy because the shells were made yesterday, but they're still delicious.
fine.
It's a picture.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah.
So when we filmed in Sicily, there was a place called Bar Dolcezza. It was the best cannoli I had the entire trip. So,
Cool.
and I emailed him the other day, and he literally was like, "Yeah, I'll send you the recipe, no problem." Which was crazy because so many chefs won't do that.
Yeah, a lot of people
Fantastic.
Yeah, these are terrific. And this is like the perfect
Yeah, he made
flavor and sweetness.
a custard just out of like flour and water and a little bit of sugar.
Yeah.
And this has mint in it, but he would usually use vanilla.
How much of the green is from mint or from an artificial coloring?
I did mint and spinach. I did like a little bit of.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So that's what this
Really?
was. Yeah.
Vegetables.
So you're saying it's good for you?
I'd like to propose a cannoli toast to Dustin.
Yeah. Dustin.
Cannoli toast to Dustin.
Careful, there's like some cookies.
There is
Yes.
sauce.
Thank you so much.
Okay, what was your favorite dish and why did you like it?
I love the salad. It was so delicious with all the different textures and flavors and the corn croutons and the bacon pepitas. Delicious. So good.
I like the cheesesteak with the kabocha pumpkin cheese sauce.
I liked the cheesesteak as well. The flatbread was awesome too. I love finger foods so much. I think if I ordered from the food truck and these are all the signature things that I would have been happy with any which one of them.
I don't know that I had any favorites or things that stand out. They were all very good in their own way. I had two interesting favorite things that I learned today. One was that seasoning and flavor profiles get you a lot of the way to emulating a certain thing.
Yeah.
So like just the seasonings on the like the Old Bay and all the seafood seasonings got it so close to a lobster roll. It's
Yeah.
like, oh, a lot of what I like about lobster roll is just like that flavor profile, and it worked with the other dishes too. And the other thing was consistency and like texture, the sauciness versus crunchiness versus doughiness of things. You don't end up missing it when like the flavor profile's there and consistencies are matched and paired and contrasted in a certain way. It's like, wow, this is fantastic.
How about you, wifey?
Cannoli and the appetizer and all of it. And yeah.
Nice.
Hey, what was your favorite thing tonight?
The salad.
All right.
Yeah.
Salad.
It was all good. I really like the hush puppy too, but the salad was reaffirmed as one of my favorite dishes. See, the salad, because it's color and it's texture and it's flavor and it's all those things are really well balanced.
What do you think is the best way to sell that salad? And it's the cornbread sells that salad, right? And
Trade
wording,
for money.
as far as wording.
Well, let's put it to the viewers. What should we call the Romaine
Hopefully
Grill
this
Barbecue Alabama open face food truck salad a la Dustin Harder?
Food truck salad.
Food truck salad.
It's actually not a bad
Trucker
truck
salad.
salad. Trucker salad.
Truck
Trucker
salad.
salad.
Because by the time
Cornbread
hopefully this
trucker
comes
salad.
out-
Cornbread trucker salad.
Ooh.
Oh.
Cornbread grilled trucker salad. Cornbread grilled trucker.
Alabama barbecue.
Grilled cornbread trucker salad.
You can sort of eat it
Splattered.
with one hand like you're driving a truck and it's a trucker
Yeah.
salad.
Oh. We've got
Yeah.
levels here. I feel like I'm in a high school production of art. It's good.
Does anybody want to sing an Irish song for St. Patrick's Day? And if they forgive me like of times before, Lord, I'll never play the wild rover no more, and it's no, nay, never. never no more will I play the wild robin. No, never no more. Yay! Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Thank you. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
I know, I didn't